Here I'm going to show you how to apply for job on LinkedIn very easily. Let's get started. Before that, please subscribe. It helps a lot. Now you open your LinkedIn. Open your LinkedIn account here. What you need to do is the first thing is you can, if you look at this down here, you'll see a job here. Just click on the job and note LinkedIn brings the job according to your profile setup. The job, your profile setup. What are the things? What are your interests, your skills that you already set up on your profile is exactly the first job that your LinkedIn is going to bring out. Now you can say Abroad designer. This is particularly to my skills that I set up on my LinkedIn profile, the e-commerce editor, social media content creator. Now I'm going to apply for one of these jobs and you just wait. Listen and follow up on my stuff is very easy. Now I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this. Now you have apply, or you can save this for later. I'm going to apply now. Now we have two steps for us to apply. No, the first thing is going to take you directly to the job application form. Now this is it. You can just read everything. You can just go through it for you to understand what are the things that they need. Now these are how to apply. You say apply with LinkedIn. If you want to apply with LinkedIn, you can just click on apply with LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is going to send you everything back to it. But I'm not going to do that one. I'm just going to apply directly by putting in your name. Just put everything that you need there, and this is your CV. Just attach your CV, your skill, your degree. Follow all these, everything here. Just go through everything. Once you follow everything, you just click on submit application, then automatically you have applied for a job. It's very easy. That's it. So guys, if this really helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you guys. Bye bye.